Hello.
I'm covered in snow.
Yeah, we're walking through the snow right now. It's 2 degrees, so as soon as the snow hits the ground, it just melts. Ah, my hand's getting cold.
We're getting worse and worse.
Tak. It's on my nose. It's melting? Yeah, it's melting. It melts very, very quickly.
Where am I?
Where? Here.
I'm damn covered in snow, goddammit. I hate this weather.
Why? It's so cool.
No, when you have to walk in the snow, it's not cool. When you're inside, it's cool.
Okay. I agree on that. Okay, that's just an update from us. We're going to go catch the bus. Papa, wave. Gabby, yes, you're waving. Say hi.
Hey.
Look how thick the snow is.
In the town.
Oh my god, it's so
And
thick.
the snow is getting thicker and thicker every time.
Tak. Oh my. It's like rain, except it freezes. I mean, it melts as soon as it touches you, because it's 2 degrees. Cool. Cool experience. Oh my god, it's so thick.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cross here.
Across here, okay. You want to stop recording?
I'm recording the snow. Watch out for the car.
It's all good, all good. Oh, it's so thick. It's so thick. I got you. Hey. Look how big the pieces are.
Yeah, it's normal.
That's normal.
I told you at home.
Some of them are so small and some of them are so big. Wiedźmin.
Train.
Wiedźmin.
Wszędzie, everywhere Wiedźmin.
Następna stacja Służew.
Hey, Witcher and Witcher and Witcher everywhere. It's advertising. They're obsessed. I think they like it. I'll have to ask Gabby's dad, when is it coming out again? we've asked them like 10 times. It's like a current meme. When's Witcher coming out? What?
All the time.
All the time.
Nicodem, hello.
Yo!
Yo, yo. Hello, Nicodem.
Hello, we just gave money to the freestyle rapper outside the mall.
His bucket was empty. Nicodem gave him 1 zloty.
I don't know how long he's been rapping it, but I gave him 1 zloty and his bucket was completely empty.
Can you hold it?
Maybe that's the strategy. He empties the bucket, so it makes it seem like he's got nothing. Nice. Nice Christmas tree.
Okay, my ears are cold.
Okay, koniec. We're looking for the sussy red sus baka edition of Amogus. We're at the Amogus station of the toy store. This is very, very important. Why we're here in Poland. This is the whole reason we came to Polska, was to look for the Amogus. Apparently, this is the Amogus center of Europe. Every single person in Europe that wants the Amogus, or even the entire world, they come here to this one store. But we're just looking for the red one. Where's the goddamn red? We've got white, we've got brown, we've got blue, we've got orange.
Red.
Where is goddamn red? This one's got toilet paper on its head. I don't know why.
This is funny.
Where is Amogus? God damn it, where is the red sussy Amogus?
Okay.
We've got, what do we have? Miniatures. We've got action figures. We've got crewmate figures. We've got plush toys with reed hats. We've got the bones. Where is the, what is this? Roblox. Oh, we gotta get some Roblox. We're gonna get Roblox and Amogus.
Hey.
Hey. Yeah, there's no Amogus. There's no red.
No, yes, there's only pink.
There's
only
pink, white. There's like every other color except for red. How do they not have red?
Yeah, that's lame.
How do they not have red? There's like 30 other different colors. We just want red.
Amogus.
That's the one from the memes. I mean, there's the white one from the memes, but that's nowhere near as good.
Okay, koniec.
We gotta go to a different Amogus city in Europe. Is there one? No.
No.
This is the only one in Europe. No one here. So we're here at the observation deck. I don't know, what do you say to foreign guests? Observation deck. Well, I guess that's what it translates to. Yeah, we're sitting out here, catching the cold air. Oh, there's people ice skating down there. Can you see? I don't want to. I've just got on selfie mode. See, Gabby and I. Man, stupid vertigo. I get it in like movies, video games, whatever.
North view. North view.
North view.
North.
What's the best view?
All of it.
All of it's the best view?
Look. Po angielsku.
Nakatomi Plaza, cool.
Jewish Theater, Church of All Saints, City Hall. City Hall is this building.
Yeah.
You can see City Hall from there. Intraco, Arsenal, Vistula River.
Mm-hmm.
Vistula, people say Vistula, but it's Wisła. Gdański Bridge over there. You can see it from there.
To Gdańsk or
It's
something?
really
Why is it called Gdańsk?
It's just a name. It's just a name.
Okay.
You can see it.
Oh shit, it's cold up here. Who would have thought it's actually cold up so high? Oh man. Oh man, that's cold. Some history about the types of landmarks, skyscrapers. Modern Warsaw. Warsaw, for over 400 years, the capital of Poland, heavily destroyed in World War II, and now it is a busy metropolis pulsating with life, misspelled. Center of economic, political, cultural, and sport events, Warsaw is forcefully and visibly changing at any moment. Next to old apartment houses and palaces, there are being raised new buildings designed by significant Polish and well-known foreign architects.
Hello.
See?
Central Warsaw Station on the left. There's the mall, but you cannot see it. And this gonna be the biggest building in Warsaw.
Where? Oh, the one they're building.
The Navy, that's what they call it.
Oh, shit.
So the Warsaw is getting bigger and bigger.
What's the population of Warsaw?
I have no idea.
Google.
So this is the entrance to the mall from here. Can you see? There.
Yeah, that's where we were before.
People look like small ants.
Oh my god, I'm getting queasy.
Not just apartments.
That's okay. So now we're at the south side. This is where we came from, Tak? We came from the south. What's that park over there? The park there.
Where? Where? I cannot see.
Over there, to the left.
On the left? What?
Oh man, I'm
Oh, łazienki królewskie. I should take you someday.
Ah,
Nikodem.
my hand is cold.
I know.
It's very
I will.
ah.
It's super cold. Oh.
Mwah. The kiss of life.
Um.
Oh, ooh.